My boyfriend and I own a vending machine business with 50 vending machines. Today we're in Las Vegas for a vending convention. Let's go see what we can find.
Power kiosks provide.
You have your ID on this. You can create your own if you want. We're only doing a penny gift card right now, but it's got the more complicated. We use Zippy cards.
Yeah.
That we had on the sides too, and that kind of formed a line because then you can DIY it. People can do their own design. The webs.
Thank you.
So you go to.
And then the leasing model is much more cheaper, where you pay like 2,000 to 3,000 US dollars per robot per month.